Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is intense and extremely important: Iranian missiles that are giving the USA and Israel sleepless nights in ongoing war. Over the past few years, Iran has rapidly upgraded its missile technology, building one of the most powerful and feared missile arsenals in the Middle East. From long-range ballistic missiles to precision-guided cruise missiles, Iran has created weapons capable of striking strategic military bases, air defense systems, and key infrastructure with deadly accuracy. So stay with us, because in this video, we will explore the 10 most terrifying Iranian missiles and why they have become a serious nightmare for Washington and Tel Aviv. Okay, let's start the video. Missile at number 10 is
QIAM-1 is an Iranian short-range ballistic missile, developed as a modern variant of the Scud-based Shahab-2 family and introduced in the early 2010s. It uses a liquid-fuel rocket engine and features a unique finless design, improving aerodynamics and reducing radar visibility. QIAM-1 is believed to have a range of around 700 to 800 km, reaching speeds above Mach 5 in its terminal phase. It can carry a payload of roughly 700 to 750 kg, usually a high-explosive warhead. Guidance relies on inertial navigation, with improved control for better accuracy. It is creating serious problems for the USA and Israel by threatening bases and infrastructure from mobile launchers. So far, its effectiveness is mixed. Dangerous for saturation strikes, but often intercepted by layered air defenses. Hava is Iran's long-range land attack cruise missile, revealed in 2023 and believed to be part of the Sumar and Haveza missile family. It likely uses a small turbojet engine, giving it subsonic speed but long endurance. Hava is reported to have a range of around 1,650 kilometers and can fly low, using terrain-hugging profiles to avoid radar detection. Its payload is estimated around 200 to 400 kg, mainly a conventional high-explosive warhead. Guidance is thought to combine inertial navigation, satellite updates, and terrain matching systems for precision. In the ongoing conflict, it threatens the USA and Israel by bypassing air defenses and striking deep targets. So far, its effectiveness appears limited but concerning, as some launches may be intercepted while others test defensive gaps.
Hajj Qassam is an Iranian solid-fuel medium-range ballistic missile, unveiled in 2020 and named after General Qassem Soleimani. Developed by Iran's IRGC, it represents a more modern and mobile strike weapon compared to older Shahab missiles. It uses a solid-fuel rocket motor, giving rapid launch readiness and easier storage. Hajj Qassam is estimated to have a range of around 1,400 kilometers and can reach speeds above Mach 8 during re-entry. It can carry a payload of roughly 500 kilograms, typically a high-explosive warhead. The missile reportedly uses inertial guidance with advanced control surfaces for improved accuracy. In the ongoing conflict, it pressures the USA and Israel by threatening bases and infrastructure with quick-response strikes. Its effectiveness appears moderate, dangerous in saturation attacks, but often challenged by missile defense interceptions.
Shahab-3 Extended Range is Iran's upgraded medium-range ballistic missile, developed from North Korean Nodong technology and first introduced in the early 2000s. It uses a liquid-fuel rocket engine, offering long reach but requiring longer launch preparation than solid-fuel missiles. Extended-range variants are believed to reach 1,600 to 2,000 kilometers, with re-entry speeds above Mach 10. It can carry a payload of around 700 to 1,000 kilograms, mainly high-explosive warheads. Guidance relies on inertial navigation, with later upgrades improving accuracy and stability, including redesigned place warheads. In the ongoing conflict, Shahab-3 threatens U.S. bases and Israeli strategic sites due to its deep strike range. Its effectiveness is mixed. Dangerous in numbers, but often limited by interception and older accuracy compared to newer Iranian missiles. Ahmad is Iran's precision-guided medium-range ballistic missile, unveiled in 2015 as an advanced development of the Shahab-3 missile family. It uses a liquid-fuel rocket engine, giving it long-range strike capability but requiring more launch preparation than solid-fuel systems. Ahmad is estimated to have a range of around 1,700 kilometers and can reach speeds above Mach 10 during re-entry. It can carry a payload of roughly 750 kilograms, mainly a high-explosive warhead. Its biggest improvement is a maneuverable re-entry vehicle, allowing better control and higher accuracy than older MRBMs. Guidance likely combines inertial navigation with possible satellite updates. A mod pressures the USA and Israel by threatening bases and infrastructure at long range. Its effectiveness appears moderate, accurate enough for strategic strikes, but still challenged by advanced missile defense systems.
Kheibar-110 is an Iranian medium-range ballistic missile developed as an upgraded variant of the Shahab 3 family, entering service in the mid-2000s. It uses a liquid-fuel rocket engine, but with improved airframe design for better range and flight performance. Kheibar-110 is estimated to have a range of around 1,800 to 2,000 kilometers and can reach re-entry speeds above Mach 10. It can carry a payload of roughly 650 to 1,000 kilograms, usually a high-explosive warhead. Guidance is mainly inertial navigation, with upgrades improving accuracy and stability, including a redesigned re-entry vehicle. In the ongoing conflict, Kheibar-110 threatens U.S. bases and Israeli strategic targets due to its deep strike reach. Its effectiveness is mixed, dangerous for mass launches, but interception and older guidance reduce consistent precision.
Kheibar 4 is one of Iran's most powerful medium-range ballistic missiles, unveiled in 2023 as part of the Kheibar missile family. It is believed to use a liquid fuel engine with advanced propellants, giving faster launch preparation compared to older systems. Kheibar 4 is reported to have a range of around 2,000 kilometers and can reach speeds above Mach 12 during re-entry. It can carry a heavy payload of up to 1,500 kilograms, including large high-explosive warheads or multiple submunitions. Guidance is likely inertial with improved control for better accuracy. In the ongoing conflict, it alarms the USA and Israel because its heavy payload can overwhelm missile defenses and threaten hardened targets. So far, its combat effectiveness remains unclear, but its capability alone increases strategic pressure. Sejjil is Iran's solid-fuel medium-range ballistic missile, first tested in 2008 as a major upgrade over older liquid-fuel Shahab missiles. It is powered by a two-stage solid-fuel rocket motor, giving faster launch readiness, better storage life, and high mobility on transporter launchers. Sejjil is estimated to have a range of around 2,000 kilometers and can reach speeds above Mach 12 during re-entry. It can carry a payload of roughly 500 to 1,000 kilograms, usually a high-explosive warhead. Guidance is mainly inertial navigation, with possible improvements for better accuracy. In current conflict, Sejjil worries the USA and Israel because it reduces warning time and stresses missile defense systems with fast response launches. While its effectiveness so far appears limited in confirmed combat use, but it remains a serious strategic threat. Kheibar Shekan is an Iranian solid-fuel medium-range ballistic missile, unveiled in 2022 by the IRGC as a new-generation precision strike weapon. It uses a solid-fuel rocket motor, giving rapid launch readiness, high mobility, and easier storage compared to liquid-fuel missiles. Kheibar Shekan is believed to have a range of around 1,450 kilometers and can reach speeds above Mach 8 during its terminal phase. It can carry a payload of roughly 500 kilograms, usually a high-explosive warhead. Its key technology includes a maneuverable re-entry vehicle and improved guidance, likely inertial navigation with advanced control systems for higher accuracy. In the ongoing conflict, it pressures the USA and Israel by striking bases, airfields, buildings, air defenses and infrastructure near Israeli cities and strategic sites with fast response strikes, as claimed by the Iran. While its real-world effectiveness appears moderate, dangerous in numbers, but often countered by missile defense interceptions.
And now the final Iranian missile in our list, that's giving a sleepless nights to the USA and Israel is Fateh-2.
Fateh-2 is Iran's claimed hypersonic missile system, unveiled in 2023 as an advanced development of the earlier Fateh program by the IRGC. It is believed to use a solid-fuel rocket booster with a maneuvering hypersonic glide vehicle, designed to evade modern missile defenses. Iran claims it can reach speeds above Mach 13 and strike targets at ranges around 1,400 to 1,500 kilometers. The payload is likely a conventional high-explosive warhead, possibly around 350 to 500 kilograms. Guidance is believed to combine inertial navigation with advanced flight control for mid-course and terminal maneuvering. In the ongoing conflict, Fatah-2 worries the USA and Israel because its high speed and unpredictable flight path reduce interception chances, making Fatah-2 the most worst nightmare for the US and Israel currently.
And these are the Iran's most effective missiles against US and Israeli defenses in the current ongoing conflict. Thanks for watching till the end. Please like the video, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such videos in the future. Okay, bye bye.